Hello everyone, who can resist sweets? And that too if you prepare at home. So today let us see how to prepare shop style transparent Bombay Karachi Halwa. So let us see how to prepare that. So first you need to take a bowl, and here the main ingredient is corn flour. See, first I have added 1 full cup of corn flour and then another full cup of corn flour, that is 2 cups of corn flour. Just mix it nicely with the help of a spoon, and then with the same cup with which I have taken corn flour, you need to add water also. So here first I have added 2 full cups of water, and then see that there are no lumps are there in this mixture, and mix it nicely till it is lump free. So once you mix it well, see it's lump free. Now again add another 2 more cups of water. So for 2 cups of corn flour you need to add 4 full cups of water. See, here I have added 4 full cups of water, and once give it a nice stir again and then put it aside. Now on the other hand, place a pan on the stove and add sugar. First I have added 1 full cup of sugar, and there goes 4 cups of sugar. So for 2 cups of corn flour you need to add 4 cups of corn flour. Excuse me for the ants on the sugar. I have put it aside, but somehow ants came in, so later I have filtered it. Sorry for that. So for 4 cups of sugar you need to add 2 cups of sugar and then start boiling it. You don't need to get any string like consistency, just let the sugar melt. That's it. Once the sugar is melted, you need to add the corn flour. Before adding the corn flour, give a nice quick stir again for the corn flour, and then add the corn flour into the sugar syrup. You need to simmer the flame, and then you need to add little by little and keep on stirring it. If the flame is high, or else if you add all the corn flour at a time, you may form lumps over there. So keep it in mind, simmer the flame now and then keep on stirring it. You should stir it continuously. So after 5 to 7 minutes on stirring on low flame, you will get this type of consistency. You will get thick creamy consistency. Now this is the time when you will observe that you can't stir it properly, like some sort of hardness you will be observing. So at that time you need to add ghee. Here I have added first 1 tablespoon of ghee, and then I have started stirring it, and again you need to add another tablespoon of ghee once you find that the mixture is again thickened. So you can observe this, that the mixture has turned from creaminess to some sort of transparent form. You can observe over here. See, now I have added 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to this mixture and have again started stirring it. After stirring it properly, add another tablespoon of ghee into this and then keep stirring it. Remember, the entire process should be on a low flame itself. So once you start stirring it nicely, you can observe more of transparency in the mixture. See, this is a little bit of transparent at the edges. You need to get the entire mixture very transparent, so you need to keep on stirring it. And you can also observe that the mixture is leaving from the pan edges. See, the ghee is also formed on the edges of the pan. So this is the time you need to add food color to it. So here I have taken lemon yellow color food color, and then I have added it, and again I have stirred it nicely so that the color gets mixed with the mixture in the pan. So keep stirring it nicely. See, first you can observe this is creamy and yellowish in color. Later on you need to add another tablespoon of ghee and then again keep on stirring it. So after stirring it for 3 to 5 minutes, you can observe, see, the entire sweet is leaving from the pan. Now this is the time you need to add another tablespoon of ghee and keep on stirring it. You can observe this nicely that the entire sweet has turned very much transparent. This is the time you need to add nuts into this. Here I have added dry fruits of like pista and almonds I have added here. You can add of your choice. You can add watermelon seeds or pumpkin seeds, or else you can add cashews also. It's up to your choice. Now after adding the dry fruits, you give a nice stir. See, you can see that fine transparent thing. This is the right consistency that the shopkeeper or you can find it in the sweet shops. Now turn off the flame and then directly add this into the greased pan. I have greased it earlier with ghee only, and then I have placed it. See, you need to add it while it is hot itself. So see, straight from the pan into the greased bowl. Now spread it nicely on top of it. Evenly you need to spread it, and then allow it to cool for 1 hour. First I have dropped the entire sweet into this pan, and then again I have found that the thickness I won't get in a correct consistency, so I have changed the bowl. And see, I have changed this bowl and I have allowed it to cool for 1 hour. After 1 hour you can flip it out. See, this is the exact consistency or the thickness or the texture you will get in a sweet shop. Now cut it into desired slices or pieces of your choice. Here I have taken into cubes. It is of your choice. You can cut into diamond shape also, but mostly Karachi halwa is in cubes only. So that's it. You can enjoy this sweet exactly in the shop style. You can get it if you follow these simple tips and tricks. So do not forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more interesting recipes. Thank you.